Siapa suka? Are you ready?
Hi guys! Welcome to another episode of Lifeguide. My name is Alison
And my name is Isabel.
and today we are going to bake a cake at Suntec City.
So Funsiamo is a premium DIY baking studio from Taiwan, and Singapore is its very first overseas outlet.
If you're bored or hungry, you can pop by Funsiamo and we have so many recipes to choose from. They are so insta-worthy, so just come.
Just come, ready? Let's go.
Let's go!
Actually, it's just here lah. We've come to the end of the episode. So what was the best thing about today?
The best thing, oh my god, I cannot choose between decorating or eating the cake because
I think I was eating.
it was really good. Decorating was fun, eating the cake was delicious. So
It's a chocolate banana. We made a chocolate banana cake.
Oh,
Isabel loves banana. I don't know why.
it was so good. Chocolate banana is the best combi ever.
Okay, so if you're feeling bored, just head down to Funsiamo at Suntec City and just remember to click like, share, comment and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next episode. Bye bye!